What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to do some interior detailing. And we have a special guest on the show, somebody that is famous in Mafra, that I'm going to introduce to you today. The Succutron or the Vacuumator 2000, otherwise known as the Clean Force Pro. We have a situation, and that is what we are going to look at first, before we are going to decide which chemicals we are going to use. Let's see what situation we got. What the general understanding is, this is a beach-going car, visiting a lot of sporting activities from the children being transported in this vehicle. Nothing special, your generic, standard, not extreme, not caked on. That's what you would expect. Forgive my poor graphics, I am not the best at drawing. I drew for you the dirtometer, or the dirt-o-meter. How much dirt and what kind of dirt do I have on around the car? As we saw during the begin video, we have something to clean, but the main goal is sanitizing, meaning we have to disinfect as much as we can by the use of the chemicals inside of Labo Cosmetica. I've drew this dirtometer. I put a P here, if you can read that this is a P, but this stands for plastics, carpet, seats and leather. So the plastics are not that dirty, the carpet is really dirty, the seats are even more dirty, and the leather is not that dirty. Dirt levels are not the same. And this line, I chose water. Water is this, what this level can clean. The second one, Omnia. Probably some high spots of more dirt in some areas that is not capable for Omnia to remove. This is my assessment, this is my guess. Other word here, we have dramtically. Now with dramtically we will clean everything, but we are overpowered and we have not the capability of sanitizing the way that Derma and Omnia can do. So my choice is going to be Omnia in combination with some processing in the form of the dual scrub. General cleaning will then be done with maybe some high spots in dirt on the carpets or on the seats, but that is what we will see during the operation. Why Omnia? Omnia's dedicated interior APC for everything on the inside of the car. The brainchild of one of our ambassadors, Franco Lazzarotti. His vision, give something to clean for the inside of the interior, suitable for every thinkable surface inside. So think about carpets, plastic, leather, aluminum trims, anything on the inside, even screens, stuff like that. That's what Omnia is born for. Then when I clean interiors, I ask a very specific question. Are there any children being transported on the inside of the car? And if the question is yes, I am always going to be very reductant and very returning into the use of chemicals. Omnia, so we are going to clean. One pro tip I give you, there is inside Omnia some UV protection, short-term protection against UV. The other one is that these surfactants inside give the capability of sort of regenerating the plastic. I'm not saying in the way of a dressing does, but removing old incrustations from the surface, giving therefore more of a lively surface, more deep, rich, some restorative effects, if you would say that, in that direction. So when you are using this product on the leather, it is very important to use the correct tool, because Andreas is watching somewhere. Don't think he's not seeing it, he's seeing it. So use something dedicated for the leather, non-brush, very low friction. When it comes down to leather, make sure you remove with a lukewarm microfiber towel to get rid of the surfactants on the leather. So only for the leather, there is a wipe down necessary. For the rest, you can use it as in the extractor, quick detailer, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Now, let's get into the car. No, wait, I gotta introduce you to someone. A very good new friend of mine that has now been entered into my team for cleaning. Allow me to introduce to you the Clean Force Pro, or as I renamed it yesterday, the Succutron 2000, because this thing is like a freaking transformer. Let's start from the basics, from the base. There we go. So the base, we have the base. What's on the base? With the base we have the engine, the water tank, the button for the sprayer, the button for the vacuum, the connection for the extraction or injection is what I should say. And we have two clips right here. One I already opened, the other one I already opened. We start here at the beginning. The engine is inside here. The engine is inside here. We still have a filter. And then we have the water tank, and my guess is around 10 liters. I'm not sure because I use this product like an FAFO to see what happens. What is going to happen, you know? What's going to happen? The engine is inside here. So it's sucking from here to there. Now, we need to understand how that is possible because the simplicity of this design... Oh yeah, now I have to remove this. This is the top, this is the top. So here, on the inside, is a very large tube. There's a very large tube. And this tube goes completely to there over the top. So we have the top. This is the cover. This makes it closed. And then you will take your hose. And the hose goes in like this. And then you are extracting. So extracting. Now, as you can see, when you are extracting from here, everything is going to blast out here. So this is not only a cover, but it also dissipates the foam. And because the tube inside is so high, you will never overachieve the amount of foam going into the engine. So to save the engine from the foam, the durability, man, my God. Look at this. Look. This is real plastic. Durability. Now this is beyond cool. So this is the extraction setup. You're now going for extraction. Yeah, you have the extraction going on here. You remove this. And then on the inside, you will find a filter with dust inside. As you can see, I have to clean it very nicely. And this is then removable as your dust filter. So in the dry phase, you have it like this. There, this is the one. Haha, Reggie. So now like this. Sorry. So for the dry phase, if you want the truck dry, you put it on the main hose. You put on the filter. The filter is then sucking through here, coming outside here, inside here, and then from there sucking it immediately inside, making sure that there is no dust coming into the water tank, separating everything nicely. Very easy, very fast to clean. And when you want to empty everything, it is not even more beautiful. You remove the top. And then you empty your water bag. Now, I mean, seriously, the simplicity of this machine is what breaks my head, and the sucking power is absolutely out of this world. Let's see the sucker in action. Here we go. Let's start from the top to the bottom. Take that was least dirty the first. Omnia will beautifully evaporate, leaving no streaks, no residues, no halos. If you want that restoration to have that into the surface, use that foam to penetrate, use those surfactants, rich and plastic. Screens, streak free, no problem. Apply generously or put some time to work in. Simple processing. Get behind those pedals. Suck it dry. Now the notice when I was using this thing is that the spray of water is so even and beautiful, powerful at the same time, that in the correct angle, and I'll be the first, probably that hand is too long to get it even more. I think it's shorter, and I'm definitely taking that sticks using that Martina 2.0. Go for the seats. Same steps. Sing. To do a scrub. I'm going to the gentle side, the even more gentle side, I have to say. No friction, no brushing, very light agitation. I had to give this another hit with 1 to 5 direct. Down, no, nothing.
Here it started to blow my mind. Even with the jet, immediately after the seat was, I'm not gonna say it's dry. It's not gonna be dry, but anybody that's used an extractor knows that type of a dryness when you're close to sitting on it. Not just right before when you can sit on it. After this, I did a second pass, only with air, only the suction power. Look at that, man. Look at all the moisture sucked out. Very, very, very strong suction. Beautiful angle. I think it's all the width of the mouth is a little bit more, so there's more power and more surface of suction surface suction. Even the carpet normally foams. If you go back and forth, you still have some foam. It's not super heavy on the wall. Thing I have to add, I added some to rinse out some surfactants, and look at that result. This is almost dry, almost dry. Not saying completely. Suspect still, and it's studio. Beautiful, restorated, just with one chemical and the suction on 2000.
This concludes the video about Omnia with special guest, the Cleanforce Pro or the Vacuumator 2000. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Ciao!